Davis is good, but you good.
Raise it one, guys. Watch this runner back. Hold it. Four, throw it in.
Hold.
Good job, Davis.
Hold.
Hey, good, bud. Back up,
Now, playing number 88.
Hey, Charlie. Got a tag check the runner. Just go forward and throw it, okay? Calvin, watch the runner. Check it. You can go 3 on your squad. Get covered.
How many of you guys? Be ready.
Be ready to go forward if you guys run it. You got to look at it first. If he doesn't go, go one.
Good eye. Hey, yours, man. That's feel fast. Feel time.
Let's go! Come on!
Stop! Stop! Back!
Good try, catcher.
All right, Becky, coming to you.
Let's go!
Like the slide there, Davis. Oh, watch out. Good.
Davis is going to slide.
Right here. Stay dirty. What you know about rolling down?
Get that way. Landon.
Run!
Now, playing number 8. Mason.
All right, Mason. Have fun, buddy.
Nice drive.
Good pitch, Mason.
Hurry!
Let's go! Jackson, let's go. Watch it! Cut off there! Becky, here we go, buddy. Now you're ready. Hit it.
Let's go, Becky.
Made this here with all the ice on in the booth. Had to get outside when they pull up, they give me loose. Yeah, jump out, boys. That's like you.
Let's go, Charlie.
Let's go defense.
All right, guys.
Bring him home, Charlie.
Let's go defense. All right, Charlie, let me get your pitch. You go.
All right, great job. Nice, Charlie. Take it.
Good job, defense.
All right, base is loaded, Bulls.
Recover.
Bulls, base is loaded.
Let's go.
Come on, defense. There we go.
Go, Jack.
Two defense. Go.
You ready?
That's it. All right, good job, Davis.
Just hold it.
Good job, Davis.
To the end zone, trying to take it to the It's game time.
Mason, Bryce, lefty.
Guys. Good grab.
Lefty, guys. That's not your pitch. Here we go. 3 more to work with. I like it, though. Let's be a hitter, Jeff. 2 to work with, Jeff.
Run it!
Good job, Mason. Good job, Mason.
Go, Calvin.
Now you're ready.
All right, bring him home, Calvin. All right.
One.
Get there, Calvin.
right, defense.
Alright, Mikey!
First and second. I'll run that out. I know you look foul. Just go ahead and run it out, okay?
Good, Austin. Get up, buddy.
All right, James. Harry, hard line drive somewhere.
Alright,
Sitting line.
Mikey! Let's go, Lightning. It's all right.
Go, 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 go. All right, James, let's keep going. Now foul ball.